Tonight we look at the most horrifying moments on Doorbell, caught on camera. When you're not home, or when you're asleep, or when you're alone, be wary, because lurkers are always out there in the dark. We begin in Atlanta, Georgia. An unexpected apartment complex is fast asleep when a young man who looks unstable tries a door. Again, Atlanta, Georgia. A gentleman stumbles onto a porch, tries the door. When it is locked, he messes with the camera and then goes off of the porch. What did he want? Another Atlanta, Georgia film shows a man walking off with a TV. Oakland, California. In the middle of Christmas, the season, a man wanders onto the porch and rings the doorbell.
Where's your, who lives here?
Do I know you? He begins to ask questions. Never ever answer your doorbell in the middle of the night if you don't know who's on the other side. This turned out okay. Dallas, Texas, a man stumbles onto the porch and tries the door. He then spots a package. He checks the package. Is he going to take it? He is confused. He puts the package down and wanders away. Oakland, California. The man rings the doorbell and tries the door handle. It's locked. He looks confused. What is he trying to do? Who is he trying to contact? Luckily, the door was locked, and he walks away.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Los Angeles, California. A man appears and then looks in the camera, immediately walking up to the door and trying the handle to see if it's unlocked. This man appears to be wielding some kind of tool or weapon. You'll see it when he turns. What is that in his hand? What did he intend to do to whomever answered the door? Oakland, California. A man quickly knocks and leaves before anyone has a chance to answer. What did he want? Riverdale, Georgia. Someone walks up to the door and immediately walks away when they seem spooked. What did they want? Los Angeles, California. They appear to be contractors. No, not contractors. I think they're robbers. Are they trying to break in the gate? The gentleman walks up and goes around and tries a window. They're discussing how to break in. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. A woman walks up on a man while he's at home. And a dog barks to scare her away. What did she want?
Don't challenge.
You what? What are you looking for?
She appears to be mentally unstable. A man is scared away quickly by a dog. A woman gets home with her daughter. She's unlocking the door and they enter the home as the dog barks. Immediately, we see them lock the door, and soon thereafter, someone appears on camera. You'll see him come around the house. You hear them speaking about him.
Hey, he's coming back.
They know the man and tell him to go away.
Nope, I'm calling. James, she doesn't want to talk to you.
Not only does he not listen, he begins to try and get in the home while the door is locked. He's pushing the door. He immediately starts to beat the door and ram it. The end of this video we cannot show you because it ends in tragedy. Thank you for watching. Join us again next time for another horrifying adventure. Remember to subscribe, like the video, share, and comment. Tell us what you were afraid of. We'll see you next time.